Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fix My English. I am Mr. Fix, and as always, I am here with my good friend Maya.
Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here today.
Today, we're going to talk about something that everyone needs meeting someone for the very first time. That first conversation, introducing yourself, asking questions, making a good impression. It can feel a little scary in English, but do not worry. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say. So listen, relax, and speak along with us. And if Maya makes a small mistake, we will gently fix it together. So Maya, let's imagine we are meeting for the first time at a friend's party. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let us do it.
Okay. Hi there. I do not think we have met. I'm Mr. Fix.
Hello. Nice to meeting you. My name is Maya.
It is lovely to meet you too, Maya. Now, I noticed a small mistake there, and it is a very common one. You said, nice to meeting you. The correct way is, nice to meet you. We say to meet, not to meeting. So everyone at home, how would you say it correctly? Say it out loud right now and put in the comments. I read every single one. Okay, Maya, would you like to try it again?
Hello. Nice to meet you. My name is Maya.
Perfect. Did you get it right at home? I'm sure you did. So, Maya, how do you know the host of the party?
Oh, Sarah is my old friend. We studied together at university. What about you?
Oh, lovely. Sarah and I work together. We have been colleagues for about 3 years now.
That is nice. It is always good to make friends at work.
Absolutely. And you said that beautifully. It is always good to make friends at work. Lovely, natural English. So, Maya, tell me a little about yourself. Where are you from?
I am from India. I am living here since 2 years.
Oh, wonderful. India is a beautiful country. And Maya, here's another small one, a very common mistake. You said, I'm living here since 2 years. The natural way is, I have been living here for 2 years. We say for 2 years because it is a length of time. And we say have been living because you started in the past and you are still here. So, everyone at home, try the correct sentence. I have been living here for 2 years. Say it out loud and put in the comments. Maya, try it once more for us.
I have been living here for 2 years.
Beautiful. That sounds so much more natural. And do you like it here?
Yes, I really love it. The people are friendly, and there is so much to do. At first, I missed my family a lot, but now I feel at home.
That is so nice to hear. Moving to a new country is not easy. It takes a lot of courage.
Thank you. It was hard in the beginning, but it gets easier every day.
That is a wonderful way to look at it. And listen, everyone, it gets easier every day. That is a lovely, natural phrase you can use too.
So, Mr. Fix, what do you do?
I am a teacher. I help people learn English. It is the best job in the world. What about you, Maya? What do you do?
I am working as a nurse. I am doing this job since 5 years.
A nurse. What a wonderful job. And Maya, I noticed the same little thing as before. You said, I'm doing this job since 5 years. We would say, I've been doing this job for 5 years. Again, for 5 years, and have been doing. Everyone at home, you turn. How would you say it? Say it out loud and share in the comments. Maya, once more.
I have been doing this job for 5 years.
Perfect. You're getting it so quickly. And do you enjoy being a nurse?
I love it. It is hard work and the days are long. But helping people makes me happy.
That is beautiful, Maya. We need more people like you in the world.
Oh, thank you. That is very kind of you.
So when you're not working, what do you like to do? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes. I love painting. On the weekend, I like to paint and listen to music. It helps me relax after a busy week.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. What do you like to paint?
Mostly flowers and nature. Sometimes I paint the view from my window.
How lovely. And that was all perfect English, by the way. It helps me relax after a busy week. Just beautiful.
Thank you. And what about you? What do you do for fun?
Well, I love reading and going for long walks. And I try to cook, but as you may remember, I am not very good.
Ha ha. The cake with no sugar.
You remembered. Yes, I will never forget that one.
So how long are you staying at the party?
Oh, probably another hour or so. I have an early start tomorrow. What about you?
Same for me. But I am enjoying to talk with you.
I am enjoying our chat too, Maya. Oh, and one last little thing, the final one for today. You said, I am enjoying talk with you. After enjoy, we use the ing form. So we say, I am enjoying talking with you. Enjoying talking, not enjoying to talk. Everyone at home, say the correct sentence out loud. I am enjoying talking with you. And put in the comments. Maya, one more time.
I am enjoying talking with you.
Wonderful. And I am enjoying talking with you too. So, Maya, do you have family back in India?
Yes, my parents and my younger brother. I call them every weekend. We talk for hours.
Oh, that is wonderful. It must be hard being so far from them.
It is. But we are very close, even from far away. My mother always says distance cannot break a strong family.
What a beautiful thing to say. Your mother sounds very wise. And that was all lovely English, Maya. We are very close, even from far away. Just perfect.
Thank you. Do you have a big family?
Not too big. My parents and one sister. She lives nearby, so I see her often. We're very close too.
That is lovely. Family is everything.
It really is.
Have you tried the food here? Sarah made everything herself.
I have. The little samosas are amazing. I have already had about 5.
Ha ha. Only 5? I have had 10 at least.
Now, that is impressive. They're too good to stop. And listen, everyone, this is real, natural conversation. Two people relaxing, sharing a laugh about food. This is exactly how small talk works.
Yes. And it is a great way to make a new friend.
It really is. A little food, a little conversation, and suddenly you know someone new. So, Maya, before I go, let me say it was really nice meeting you. I hope we see each other again.
Me too. It was so nice talking with you. Maybe we can have a coffee sometime.
I would like that very much. And everyone, listen to how Maya ended the conversation. It was so nice talking with you. Maybe we can have a coffee sometime. That is the perfect, friendly way to end a first conversation in English. So before we finish, let us remember the little things we learned today. We say nice to meet you, not nice to meeting you. We say I have been living here for 2 years, not since 2 years. And after enjoy, we use the ing form, enjoying talking, not enjoying to talk. Small things, but they make your English sound so natural and confident. Now, here is something for you. Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. In the comments below, introduce yourself in English. Tell me your name, where you are from, and what you do. Just 2 or 3 sentences. I read every comment, and I will gently fix any mistakes for you.
Please write to us. We love getting to know you.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe. Listen again, speak along with Maya, and practice meeting someone new until it feels easy. Remember, every mistake is just a lesson waiting to happen.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye for now.